Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you the easiest way to set time and date on this very popular SKMEI 1299 vintage watch. So if you also have got this watch and getting trouble in setting time and date, this video will be very helpful. But before moving to the video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on this watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me, where hour, minute, seconds, date and days of a week is mentioned. If you are in different function, press this left side down button. This is alarm mode, this is stopwatch, this is dual time mode, this is another function. Press one more time, this is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here, press this right side down reset button and hold it for few seconds like this. After doing this, you can see here seconds have started blinking. To reset it, you have to press right side top button. It makes seconds 0. Now to adjust hour and minute, press left side down button. You can see here currently it is showing P, it means you are in PM. And if you are in AM, nothing will be mentioned over here. Later on this video, at the end, I will also guide you how to change hour format from 12-hour to 24-hour and to come back towards 12-hour format. Now if you press this right side top button, we can go ahead. You can also see now we have reached AM where nothing is mentioned. Once you adjust hour, to adjust minute, press left side down button again. Minute have started blinking. Use this same right side top button to go ahead, like shown on the video. After this, to adjust month and date, press left side down button again. Here you will get a chance to select year. Press right side top button to go ahead. After this, to adjust month, press left side down button again. 7 is blinking. Use this right side top button to go ahead. Now to adjust days, press left side down button. Follow the same step. Press right side top button to go ahead. Now to adjust whatever the adjustment you have did, press right side down button at the end. So whatever the time and date you have adjusted is fixed over here. After adjusting time and date, if you want to change hour format, as you see here currently I am in 12-hour format, press this right side top button. So this is 24-hour format. Now if you want to go back towards 12-hour format, press this right side top button again. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.